Over to you, Gray.
All right. Good afternoon or good morning, depending on what time you're seeing this video. So for everyone. So let me just share my screen. So today's Karish tutorial is about T-shaped professional. Can you see my screen?
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Good. Okay. Right. So what do you think a T-shaped professional is? If I can, uh, if there's anyone who wants to answer this question, let me leave the floor and we can just ask around. What do you think a T-shaped professional is? Maybe Mesfin, if you can answer, um, just a guess or anything you if you have an idea.
To be frank, this is the first time I heard about T-shape.
Okay. What about you, Scott? If you're able to speak.
Yeah, I heard it today, to be honest. I heard it in the shared document section. I read it, but I didn't get
Okay.
any concept relative to guessing even.
Okay. Good. Good. So it's going to be a very exciting tutorial. So um, it's not about the shape, but you can think of it as your superpower combo. For example, you have deep expertise about something, and you can also have a broad adaptability about something. Today, you learn how to build your team and why it matters in your profession or in tech. So, a T-shaped professional, the concept is there's depth and there's breadth, breadth across multiple complementary skills. The vertical of the T is how deep are you skilled in one area. If you go down deeper into one of your skills, that's the T, that's the vertical part of the T, and the horizontal part is where the breadth is having an expertise in one focus area. So why does it matter? So in today's fast-changing world, you need to adapt. You have to work in cross. So being a T-shaped professional makes you a more employable and more effective. So, for example, when we talk about the vertical part of the T or the depth, your area of deep specialization, where you bring expert level skills. It can be data science or predictive analysis, blockchain, smart contract development, data engineering, and workflow automation. We can go deeper and deeper in any of these skills. Uh, this in your field. For example, if you're a front-end engineer, then that's your vertical part, the vertical part. And when it comes to the horizontal part, which is the breadth, um, it's those skills that complement uh, other skills or that can help you work across teams. Front-end engineering, then you don't have to know what a back-end engineer is supposed to do, but knowing those skills can actually help you, as you all know, and you become more as you look around your environment. Maybe you learn one or two things about maybe the design part of the system, or you can go and talk to the marketing team or the management team. The more knowledge you have about your area, that's as you can understand from the horizontal aspect. So you can say communication and collaboration is also the horizontal part. Working with cross-functional teams, business and product understanding, especially in your area, digital finance and tech. Uh, uh, Doing some research, even if you don't work on that particular. And fundamentals of maybe web or mobile platform. For example, if you're a front-end engineer, if you know one or two things about mobile development, then that can greatly help you in your future endeavors, right? So on and so on. For example, another example is knowing something that relates to cloud infrastructure and deployment is really an essential thing when it comes to systems. An expert in your field, you have to know each. You don't have to be an expert per se. You don't have to have the vertical skills as we talked about right here on the left, but you have to know uh, area. So, what is your T? You're not just one thing. For example, you might be a machine learning engineer who can design dashboards. You might be a fintech analyst who can understand product market fit, or you can be a developer who collaborates like a project manager. So you're supposed to be a T-shaped powerhouse. In your submission, your chosen track, and you're supposed to add 3 or more complementary and you can use these color codes. For example, if you're talking about machine learning, if you have it, then put a green on that skill, with a yellow, and if you need development, then you can put a red dot on it. So you can have a visualization of your T shape, and you can reflect on your own areas. Um, it's, as a bonus task, you were required to find a T-shaped mentor on your LinkedIn and add their profile link in your submission and share 3 to 5 sentences and on what makes them a T-shaped professional. This will be a bonus for your submission for week 9. So at the end, you've got the T tools so you can go build. Now that you know what T means, T-shape means, you can go shape your own career with intention. You can deepen your strength, broaden your versatility, and be the one every team needs. So this is what T-shape professional means. If you Google a T-shaped professional and if you search the images, um, I'm sure you'll, when you're doing your submission, you'll come to know that you will have that visual T-shaped representation of your own expertise, and you'll be hopefully you'll have a more broader understanding of your work, and at the same time more deeper understanding of one of your chosen track or field. Right, let's practice using the challenge, which is presented by Emilian. If anyone has any questions, you can ask them, ask us right away. If not, we can just continue to the challenge. Emilian, over to you.
All right, amazing. Thank you so much, good day. So let's go ahead to the exercise. So go ahead and present my screen as well and see what are we supposed to do. But then in the meantime, you have a question, you can drop in the chat box, but also you can write me or write good day on Slack. Yeah. So without further ado, we'll present my screen as well. Am I audible enough? There's no interruption, or maybe? Okay, amazing. So as Aguday said, according to the PowerPoint or the introduction, so today's careers challenge is T-shaped professional, and the due date is going to be Tuesday, 29th July 2025, but 8 p.m. UTC. So here's about the background. Is just we just go fast because this is the same as Gude has been highlighting in the PowerPoint. So a T-shaped learner is someone who has a breadth of knowledge and depth of expertise. For instance, only having depth entails and understanding only front end or back end development. So whereas T-shaped refers to a front end developer who is familiar with both the business environment in which front end web development takes place and some aspects of back end development, even if they are not experts in it. There are multiple types of people under this general metaphor, such as I-shaped or dash-shaped. Blah, blah. So it's very important to note that a T-shaped person is not a dash-shaped person. A dash-shaped person is one that has a wealth of general knowledge, but no specification in one area. There is a phrase like "jack of all trades matters, masters of none." So that can define the dash-shaped person. The T-shaped person would be jack of all trades, master of one or more. As technology is rapidly advancing and affecting many different areas of life, it's important it's important for professionals to have the ability to be adaptive and work within multidisciplinary teams. So that's one reason we are seeing a shift from I-shaped people towards T-shaped people. And you can find a LinkedIn article about Are You a T-shape? Written by Anita Pinto, goes through many ways to become a T-shaped manner. So you can explore more on this link, very accessible on LinkedIn. So the idea of a semicolon shaped learner is a curious one and is also presented in the references. So here, what are we going to do with this week's exercise, this challenge exercise? So the exercise is like what you're supposed to do in a document not longer than 2 pages. Answer the following questions. Question number 1, start with analysis of 5 core skills for your current career choice. This is the vertical line of the T. Focus on one of machine learning engineering or data engineering or Web3 engineering, whatever. Question number 2, next, consider at least 3 extra skills you can add to increase your breadth of knowledge. This is the horizontal line of T, and especially aspects which are useful to complement, implement, and maximize the deep part of the T. So using your answer to previous question, draw out your own T-shape. You can make out your own T-shape, following all the guidelines with the introduction, but also with this document. So include skills adjacent to your career that you don't have yet, using color formatting to highlight which skills you want to develop and the ones you have not acquired yet. Green for skills you have, and then yellow for the skills you partially have. Then red for completely missing skills that you don't really have will be highlighted with the red. The skills that you have will be highlighted with the green, and then skills you have, for skills you partially have, then you highlight it with yellow. Yeah. So for example, an example here will be providing during the tutorial session, reflect in 3 to 5 paragraphs through. You can see here, identify the 3 key areas in your T-shape that you want to build on. Explain why you choose those areas and why they are so important to you. B, develop a fast approach plan for how you will build your skills in those 3 areas. And here the bonus, that's actually now the exercise for this week 8 and 9. Basically the 9. So a bonus here, researching a T-shaped professional that can serve as a potential mentor in your desired industry is a great way to learn from those who were once in your shoes. This is obvious. So search for one or two people through LinkedIn that you believe in T-shaped professionals in your desired field. Include the link to the person's LinkedIn profile and submit a 3 to 5 sentence summary of individuals and which aspects makes this person a T-shape. Highlight, if possible, which aspect of their T-shape you would emulate. We recommend looking for someone with at least 3 years of work experience on LinkedIn. So yes, when it comes to support, meeting, and tutorial, of course, this will be a tutorial session, which is already happened. Then the submission, provide your answer in a 2-page Google document and submit the link on 10th. So that's it basically with the rubrics. Of course, we'll be checking on the writing 20% as the trainee developed a realistic approach for building these additional skills and also communicated and convinced why they chose these skills. Are the paragraphs free of spelling errors, easy to digest, and properly punctuated? We'll also be looking on analyzing your gaps, which will take 30%, then visualization 15%, relevance of the item of the T-shape 35%, and that will be it. How is it useful in life? Budey has also touched on this. This exercise will prepare you to be flexible at your job with a generous breadth of knowledge. You will also equip yourself. With additional skills that will complete your main skills and become a better contributor at your workplace. So this is it. Here is the reference, the 5 links, and the competence mapping here is all here. With you going through this document, you can find everything. So in case you have a question, just let me know, or you can write to Budey. I hope I'm clear. Maybe if there's any compliment, any question, anything you didn't understand, please let me know. Other than that, that was it. That's the exercise. Is everything fine? Are we on the same page, everyone? Amazing. I can see reaction from this rat. Okay, amazing, good. So I think that was it for today. We shared this recording on the channel. And if we have any question or anything that you need assistance on this specific exercise, just let me know on Slack or on my email, Academy.org. Then that's it. So back to you, Budey. Is there maybe anything else we forgot or an announcement?
No, I think that was it. I think this was a 2-week long.
All right, amazing. So thank you so much. Ciao, ciao, everyone. See you again in the CBS.
Hello? Can you hear me?
Oh, did you say something, Budey?
Sorry, my internet was breaking up, but I didn't have any announcements. But thank you very much. I just wanted to say thank you.
All right. Amazing.